What's up guys, it's Shot, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create custom camera raw filter for the FX panel. First of all, switch to the quick menu by clicking on this icon and hit the camera raw filter button, or go to the panel settings, navigate to manage presets, open the custom camera raw filter section and click on the plus icon. The camera raw filter preset has been created, so if we go back to the list view or the image view, you already do see the camera raw filter, but nothing actually happens since there's no camera raw data yet. So go back to the preset options, and first of all we need to open an image and duplicate the layer and convert this layer into a smart object. Now go to filter, camera raw filter, and adjust the image as you like. Play with all those parameters. Press OK. Now go back to the FX panel and make sure the layer, the smart object with the camera raw filter is selected, and hit the read data button. Now we get a notification it was successful. And once we go back and deactivate this layer for a second and hit the play button, the camera raw filter will be applied on a new copy of the original layer. So let's delete this one for a second and delete the smart filter, and let's create another camera raw filter. Same here, I'm selecting the smart object and I'm going to filter camera raw filter, and instead of adjusting all those parameters, I'm going to my presets, and I have different presets here, the one from FX Ray, and let's just select the ashes preset. Same here, read data, and the exact same thing happened. The FX panel now recognized the parameters from my current camera raw filter and saved it. But what I can also do is save those settings as a custom preset. Therefore, I'm going to my custom preset section here and hit the plus button, and it automatically recognizes the name of the preset I used and saves it here. So if I double click to enter the filter, the camera raw filter again, and choose another preset, read data, and click on the plus icon again, it will now save those settings as an individual custom preset. So I can switch between ashes, chessboard, and maybe let's take a third one. Yeah, maybe the silver platter. Press OK. Read data. Press custom preset. And let's just give this a name. X-ray black and white. So if I go back to the list view, I now see a small white triangle here in the corner, and if I press the shift key and click on this preset, a list will open and I can select which one of those custom presets I want to use once I hit the play button. Apart from that, you also have the camera raw options, which we fully describe in our camera raw video. We also have custom images. If you don't know how to do that, just take a look at the how to add actions video. We also have something called camera raw basics, and if I activate this, another separator will be visible. And when I open the separator, I see some of the major adjustments in camera raw. So I could turn on temperature, exposure, contrast, saturation, and now I would have those sliders which are responsible for main parts of the look right here where I need them. Let's just deactivate this. And we also have layer settings where you can define the name for the layer. Let's just say layer, for instance. You can also change the color and group settings. So if you want to put this layer into a group, let's just create a new group for that. Camera raw group. And now once you press the create button, we have a blue group, camera raw group, and we have a red camera raw layer. So that's all up to you. If you want to delete a camera raw preset, just go to info and delete preset, or go back to the panel settings, manage presets, custom camera raw filter, and either delete each item separately or hold the Alt key and click on the add camera raw filter to delete all of them.